Hello mga loves, so ngayon ayaw niya ako magluto, so gusto niya mag-order, so samahan na natin, gusto niya mag-order ng pagkain, Italian daw yung gusto niya. You do the grass because I'm gonna do the, how do you call this?
Yes.
GPS check. Over here, in my lap.
I don't know what you do with the holder.
Huh?
I don't know what you do with my holder.
It's dropped in somewhere.
You use that for my video.
So the plan right now mga loves is, he doesn't want me to cook, he doesn't like my cooking. So he said, let's order something. So,
Order something good.
seriously. Very insulting.
Can't do nothing for her. I'm just trying like do her favor. She's like, oh, I still gotta go home and cook. This is you want me to pick something up. And now she sits there and says, oh, you don't like my
I appreciate
I will
you.
play into that.
I appreciate you, darling. Give me a kiss. In the ear, on air.
Oh, there.
Honey, you also not. Okay, so yeah. I have to break your chops, son, sometimes, son, you know that?
Yeah.
Well, you're the only one can do it and I can't.
Oh, everybody does it.
Huh?
Everybody does it. That's life.
Yeah. So, let's go. Andito kami sa back road. I'm driving here sa back road kasi it's a back road. Back road. Sa bukid, mga loves.
Go to your the other place that you used to go to.
What? What is this? Oh my God, why people doing this? Oh God. That's a bad. At ngayon, andito na tayo sa restaurant. Kunin lang natin yung order. Siya yung pina-order ko kasi po, mahirap po mag-order mga loves kasi, you know, and then magtatanong siya, do you really want it? So, make sure, siya na lang yung mag-order and kakain ako kapag andito na. Kasi, alam ko naman na magaling yan. Hala, ito lang yung binigay nila. Dami. Nagulat ako sa chicken, dalawa at maliit. So, nagulat ako kasi yung order na Italian namin palagi is malaki at marami mga loves. Naligo si Tami ng sauce, guys. Nagalit siya. Nagalit siya kasi sabi pa niya, hindi daw nila inayos yung pag-ano. Oh, andito yung sauce, oh. Tapos naligo siya, guys. Nagalit, sabi pa niya, iwan ko na lang, hindi nila inayos. Lala, sabi ko, wag mo nang problemahin, dong. Tapos na, dong. Nandito na. Naligo ka na ng sauce. And then sabi ko sa kanya, ang daming problema sa mundo. Yung ibang tao talaga problemado, yung totoong problema. Ikaw hindi yun problema. I-ano mo na lang, tapos na, wala na tayong magawa. Hala, uy, ang dami nito. Hala. Halahan. Pakita ko sa inyo mga loves. Come on, let's eat seafood and pasta yi. So, they have only 2 chicken. Huh? And the chicken with mushroom, it's only 2. So, Tommy can bring that tomorrow to work. Look. Hala, in-order niya yung mga gusto ko, mga loves. Ang bait talaga ni Mister. Ito yung gusto ko. Ito pinakagusto ko. Hindi niya in-order yung sa kanya. They're not bad.
Look at your son.
They're not bad, but the villaggio sauce, it's very thicker. It makes you like wanna get the bread and just dunk it in there. Magkaiba-iba talaga yung restaurant. The restaurant, they have different kind of cooking, no? They're not the same, right?
Yep.
They're Italian and I become like No, they act like we starve them to death. We give you food. No, she's looking at Dada. The dimples, ano, she act like she's really starving, han. Oh? Over there, love.
What a mug. He says, I'm going out of my way to be as cute as I could. This is pretty much anything. This is like I'm not sure what they eat.
You think you'll eat this one day?
Trembling, she took out her phone and
That's
searched
from
for
the
a
heart.
long time before
I'm
she
full
found the
and I'm
relevant
okay.
person's
From the belly.
number. And even then, she still hesitated.
Hello guys, good morning. Nagising ako 3 o'clock. So ngayon 5 na. And nagising ako kasi nagising si Tammy. Good morning. So nag-shower lang siya mga loves. Ay, ang ganda. Ganda. Kapag magising ka na maganda yung mood. Kasi paminsan yung mood is hindi okay. Hindi okay, wala. Bakit maaga akong gumising? Dahil itong si Mister, kumakain mga loves. Naghuhugas ng pinggan, nagtutupi na, binalik niya yung mga pinggan hinugasan ko kagabi. So, yun yung nangyari. So, nagmahalan. Oy, they love each other, guys. And why you need, I don't need you here. What do you need? What are you doing? Don't give me your butt. Don't give me your hiney. Oh my goodness. Labs, katatapos lang ni Tammy maligo. Ito yung, this is our, yeah, you know, like, time. Look at this little man. I love you. You're my baby. And are you happy if I help you, for example, if you're doing something and then I help you? It makes you like less work for you, like running this, pick that up.
It does.
I'm always happy to help. Yesterday, when you turned the machine, I was cooking, I was so hungry. I was like, oh my God, I wish I have enough strength to go help him. Because, you know, you put the machine down. Is it hard, right? It hurt your back. Right?
That's fine.
When the machine was like that, tilted. So cute. Look at the rice. I love my baby. Ang wakti ko la, honey, okay ko la, your tail, ting ko la, kan, ang wakti ko la, come on, let's go, Alice, come on. Paalis ng aking baby. Ihatid ko lang sa labas. Sa garahian na yan. Get niya.
Bye guys. See you later.
At so ngayon, ako na mag-isa dito. Tikman natin itong ating watermelon. Matamis pala siya. Pero meron akong kukunin dito kasi si Tammy, pabalik na galing sa trabaho. No? Umalis siya kanina and then pabalik na. Sabi pa niya, gusto niya ng macaroni salad. So kaya ito yung ginagawa ko. Nag-cut ako dito ng olives, onion, celery, at iba't iba pa, carrots, at yung mga sangkap na dapat naming ilagay. Kasi iba talaga yung nila dito. Macaroni salad. Kasi itong si Mr. mga loves, kapag gusto niya macaroni salad, sabihin niya sa akin ahead of time. Kasi matrabaho po ito mag-cut, diba? Ang daming dapat i-cut. At kailangan din ito ng itlog. So, kailangan ko mag-boil ng itlog. Buti na lang itong asawa ko gustong mag-grocery ng itlog. Marami daw kasi pag kailangan niya, andyan na ready. Tapos na po tayo mga loves sa pag-boil ng ating pasta. Yun. And then, ito na yung ating na-cut na ingredients. So, yun mga loves, tapos na yung itlog, no? Nag-boil, madali lang man yung itlog, magpa-boil ng itlog. So, kinakat ko lang siya into cubes. At yun yung para hindi naman masyadong malata or alam nyo nang malata sa Bisaya. At habang ako dito, nakarating si Mister, ang bilis niya kasi hindi siya masyadong malayo ngayon yung trabaho niya. So, kaya mabilis siyang nakauwi. And yun. So, ilagay ko na itong ano, itong ating ingredients. Ang daming ingredients kasi masaya yung tummy ko kapag maraming inalagay. So, kaya yun, ilagyan ko na ng marami-rami. Yun. Yan, konting lemon. Yan, huwag marami. Kasi, ito yung, ano, paborito ni Mr. Macaroni salad. Pero, iba yung macaroni salad nila dito, no? Hindi matamis. So, yan. Mayo. Itlog, carrots, olives, celery, onion, eggs, din pasta, mayo. At yun guys, marami talagang kailangan nito ilagay, lalo na kapag maraming pasta, kailangan maraming mayo. At yun, tapos na kaming kumain at nagpunta sa bed.
Quiet, quiet. Your ears cut the blood circulation.
No, that's really,
No, I'm just gonna tie it so it doesn't loosen.
Okay, but you know, when you do it again,
Stop